Good morning, 7:11, and today is a weather alert day for the excessive heat and also the potential for some severe weather later on this afternoon and evening. Let's start off first with a look at our first alert radar. All clear for now. A couple light showers moved through early this morning, but now all dry. It's going to be later on this afternoon and evening that we start watching the radar once again. The timing for the potential for severe weather, 3 o'clock this afternoon through the evening hours, but the later it gets, the lower the risk gets. And we aren't talking a washout, just a few storms popping up, much like a summertime pop-up storm. Only these could be a little nasty. The impacts, heavy rain leading to ponding on the roadway, frequent lightning. A lot of our storms are very electric around here. Even if it is sunny where you are and you hear rumbles of thunder, you need to head indoors. Strong winds, another impact. We know from last week in the incident in King Street, we thought it could be a tornado, ended up being straight line wind damage. Straight line winds can be just as dangerous as a tornado. Thankfully, we're not expecting any tornadoes out of these storms. Also, the potential of some hail. If you have the chance to park in a garage, I would do so late this afternoon and overnight. Let's time it out using future radar. Dry for most of the day. This is not going to be a washout kind of day. It's going to be nice for at least the first half of it. Then we hit 3 o'clock this afternoon. That's when we start to see some storms pop up. They really ramp up as we hit your 5 o'clock drive right along I-95. Visibility will be reduced because of the winds and the rain on I-95. And it's around 5 that we also start to see some storms get a little closer to the Grand Strand. Those storms move through the Grand Strand 6 o'clock this evening, just in time for a night out. So be very careful. Maybe a night in would be a better option. Now let's talk temperatures, the other weather headline for today, and this is going to be the most widespread impact. 75 right now in Myrtle Beach, 78 in Florence. Nice, definitely muggy, but through the afternoon, highs climb into the low 90s for the beaches all afternoon, from lunchtime all the way through 4 o'clock. At this point, because of the humidity, it will feel more like 102 at the beach. So on the playground, watch out for the rosy cheeks and other signs of kids getting a little overheated. Keep the water on hand. Inland, 97 will be the high today for Florence, 98 in Lumberton. Similar to yesterday, only more humidity, which means a higher heat index. We're talking 104, the heat index for Florence, 103 in Lumberton. If you work outside, find some air conditioning. When the humidity is this high, shade really doesn't help much. I'll talk more about your weekend and the rain we're expecting for Saturday in just a bit.